If you are looking for a screen protector for your Apple Watch, check this out. This is the SWUU 2-pack of their tempered glass screen protectors, and I'm showing you everything that comes in the package here. You've got actually 2 sets of everything. So you have the wipes, the sticker to get different things off, and then the actual glass here. And these glass pieces did come in this foam packaging. I took it off here. And then you also have the instructions here. And what I'm going to do, I have my Apple Watch right here. So this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. And we're going to go ahead and go through the process to actually apply this and get it on here right now. So I don't have one on there right now. And you can see there's some junk on there. There's like a hair and stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to wipe it down here. So let's go ahead. Oh, I am tearing that wipe in half. Let's try this again. All right, there we go. So I'm going to open this guy up and then get this wipe out of here. There we go. And it is a little bit moist, but that's perfect. So we're going to go ahead and wipe down this guy right here. Make sure to get everything off, especially around the edges right there. Perfect. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and use the dry wipe here. So here's the wipe that's supposed to dry it, and it is a dry wipe, so that's perfect. So we're going to go ahead and use that now. Okay, perfect. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the sticker here to try and unstick any pieces of dust that may have gotten on here at all, which tends to happen. So I'm going to keep doing that. All right, and finally, I'm going to peel off the back of this guy here and line it up. All right, there it is. It's lined up, so I'm going to go ahead and push out right here. Push out right here. And this whole assembly right here worked really well to line it up. So I think that's fantastic. And let's go ahead and pull you off now. And there we are. It's on there, no bubbles at all. That's so perfect. Wow. That was super easy, and I didn't even need to use the second one here. So if you guys are in the market, you're looking for an Apple Watch, kind of a glass cover, a glass protective sheet over your display, this thing worked amazingly well. It worked super well for me. I just applied it. You just saw it, and I highly recommend this.